Hey, Jay from Jay's Taking Tips back with another video. Today we got a little quick unboxing item I picked up on Temu. Never really purchased from them before. I hear good and bad, mostly bad, but if you read the description, you'll know what you're getting. So this is a widely used, it's supposed to be a bendable little thing you plug in and you can make your lights have a custom image or a custom graphic on there. So let's see. My only thing I was concerned about was how big it was going to be. So these are tips when you're applying it. So it does come with a cable. Pretty nice cable. Not sure how much I paid for this, but I will leave it in the description. So it is pretty small. The picture made it look a lot bigger, I think, but nevertheless, here it is. So let's see if we can get it plugged in. All right. It has a pretty long cable, I will say that. Let me give a name. LED matrix panel. That's what it's called. So we're going to try to do this on the fly without reading any instructions. Okay, so this is pretty self-explanatory. Plug that into there. Then we need a, let me see, what do I have? A USB-A port. We'll plug it into my computer and see if this will give us enough power. Oh, hey, that's kind of bright. I have these lights on. So that's kind of nice. Kind of bright. See that? Okay. I'm not going to read the instructions. Pull this off. Let's see if we can get something. Oh, okay. Upside down. Oh, so now I think I'll just use it just like this to have the time going. So let's see if I can change the time. Oh, okay, Friday, 1999. Even though that's not the time. Hey, that's cute. This is kind of neat. Okay. Hi, bro. Hey, this has some pretty good customization on it. Turn off view. High beam. Okay. So not bad. Hi, bro. Not sure. This, where is it at? So I'm assuming this is a tape that you use to apply it, to hook it up. Because I should. No, so let's see. One. Okay, left. That should be right. Alright, bro. So left. Make it go left. Warning. Baby in car. Oh, that's kind of neat. So I'm going to play around with this, but let me turn these lights off so you can get a better look. Alexa, turn off game lights. Okay, so that gives you a better idea of the brightness. So not bad. I'm not sure. I'm recording this with my phone, so I can't get on the TV to see the price, but I will leave a price and a link in the description, how much this is. And I'll play around with it, and maybe I'll have a future video showing you guys all the things you can do with it. So thanks for tuning into the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace.